Stop using Reiki symbols. It's simple. Just don't use them. Before you get triggered, before anyone starts throwing things and cups at the screen and saying, what you're talking about, Ian, I love using the symbols, I always use symbols. There's a reason and a meaning behind this video. So I'm in a couple of Facebook groups and it's all to do with Reiki and Reiki healers, as you might expect. And there's a lot of time people ask about when they use the symbols and how they use them, and for different situations and different circumstances. And the type of Reiki that I practice is a Sui Reiki, the OG, and basically they're all kind of like the same. It's all the same energy that we're working with. But there's been a couple of times where people have commented on these social media posts where people have been talking about the symbols and ways of using them and what have you, and they're saying, stop using the symbols, you don't need them. It's all intention based, you really don't need the symbols, a Sui never used the symbols, yada yada yada, all this sort of stuff. And then they're saying the main thing about Reiki and about any form of healing is about your belief and your intention, and it will do what it needs to do if you believe it and intend it to do so. I agree with that. I agree with all of it, to be fair. I tend not to use symbols that much myself these days. However, there was a very big point that kind of like what somebody mentioned about this, and they'd said it's all to do with your focus and your intention. But what if your focus is improved by knowing using the symbols? What if it just gives you a little bit of a psychological nudge to know that because you're intending to use the symbols, that it's going to have more of an effect? If that helps, then keep using them. Keep using the symbols. There is nothing wrong about using them. They're in the system of Reiki for a reason. So you don't need to stop using them. Just if they help and you feel more at peace by using them, then use them by all means. If you feel that you don't need to use them and the energy is just as powerful, don't use them. But why jump on people when they're using it? Maybe they've been taught that way and that's how they've continued, which is fine. That's the way I kind of like teach, until we get to like kind of like master teacher. But if they've been taught that way and taught to use the symbols and they find more validation and meaning and focus and intention by using the symbols, then do that. I mean, the symbols themselves, from what I feel now, is the symbols are there to be used as kind of like a mantra, and we repeat that mantra to gain wisdom from the symbols and from what the words actually mean. And by doing that, by using the mantra, by repeating the words over and over again and getting more focus and clarity on what the words mean, you get more focus internally within yourself, and then that helps to develop your practice internally. But do I say to people not to use them or just to not bother using them? No, I've never said that. I just believe if they work for you, use them. If you feel you don't need to use them, don't use them. But if people want to use them, let them use them. It's that simple. So I just want to do a quick video about that, and just to clarify a couple of things to do with that. And that is where I'm at with my belief, with my practice. If you still want to use them, use them. I still use them occasionally, but I don't use them as much as what I used to, because I don't feel I need to. But there's no biggie. That's no biggie. Yeah, they're a tool for focus and for deepening your awareness and your intention. So if they work, use them. But that's it. I'm not going to say any more because I'll just repeat myself. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Just a very, very quick, brief one. If you've enjoyed the content and you enjoy the previous content on the channel, please do like and subscribe to the channel. It all helps with the channel's algorithm. I also have a school over on Skool, believe it or not. I'll link that below if you wish to join. You can join for free or you can join for a small donation to join the classroom and the other teachings that I have on there as well. But all that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Bye for now. Bye bye.